Alright, so we remove the sleeves and the handles and stuff, and this is the condition of the stem. I just cleared around the base so I could get to the threading. So I just clear around here. Open up here a little bit more. Alright, so now I'm going to use the tool and take off the stem. Some of this stem, not sure how it moving at this angle. Yeah, definitely going. So we're turning. Yeah, even this one. So yeah. Alright, so there's the tool I use then. It slides right over like that. This goes into the hole here. And then I turn and I just apply just a little force. And ease out. This is one. Do the same thing here again. Slide anything here. I gotta give me a little. Yep. A little elbow grease, as they say. A little elbow grease. Tough, but yeah. And so that is what I'm going to do now. So let me take out the others and then I'll show you what I'm going to do, take out the seating. Alright, so all the stems out. Time for this one. First go there and here for the and I saw that I fit in and then turn and break the seating. Alright, so I break this one. Whole seating. I broke this one as well. So seems to be a safety one on the far right, which is the cold water chute. Alright, so I gotta get the bird beak together one. That one came right out. That has happened. Alright, so I'll have to fish that one out. And then this one kind of hard, so I'll have to put some elbow grease on that one. So that is the seating, how the seating normally comes out. Alright, so 3 seatings are out. Just gonna do some inspection inside here. I'm gonna clean up around here and then I'm gonna put in the new seatings and the stem. Yeah. Alright, so seating in, stems are in. Stems are in. Now we're gonna put on the sleeves and the finishers. Alright, so sleeves in. I'm putting there's this black device that keeps this centered. Alright, so those are in. So I'm just gonna put on the wall finisher here and then the handle, and then we're gonna test. Alright guys, so repair is completed. Finishers, stem, handle, finishers, stem, handle, finishers, stem, handle, cool, diverter, hot. So now I'm going to test and make sure it's working. So now the foot top look like it should change, but it look kind of shrubby now. Aye, aye, aye. What we gonna do? Anyway, this is the most important part. So I'm gonna put back on the water and make sure that everything is functioning as it should. The handyman, yeah, big jobs, small jobs, even the odd jobs, we do them all. So thank you for taking time to watch this video as we did a repair to a hot and cold Sayco mixer. Yeah, the handyman, smile.